Hi, it's Matt Williams with Williams & White Equipment and williamsandwhiteequipment.com. Williams & White is very excited to launch SawSense, an innovative product that allows the sawmill to measure the saw temperature while in the cut, in your edger or your gang. This system can be used for either round saws or band saws using a patented contact sensor system. Our sensors can be mounted to your SawGuide or to your band mill and measures the saw in two different positions. As you can see here, the sensor would be mounted at the eye of the saw. This sensor can be measuring the rim of the saw. Our contact sensors are Teflon based and actually touch the saw while in the cut. They are different than non-contact sensors. We tested many non-contact sensors and all of them showed inconsistent results that don't give an accurate measurement of the saw plate. Our system, using the two sensors, allows the sawyer or the saw doctor to actually see in real time the difference between the eye temperature and the rim temperature. This differential has a very big impact on sawing performance. With our system, you can set boundaries to alert you when the temperature gets too high or the differential in temperature gets too high, and you can make sawing adjustments. Competitive systems to ours use a single sensor. The single sensor does not allow you to see this differential, and this differential is critical to your sawing deviation. Our system is easily bolted on to any saw guide, which makes it low cost. We use a Wi-Fi communication system that's wireless, and it's charged by a lithium-ion battery. So you charge it, you put it into your saw box, and it's wirelessly transmitting to the cloud all your sawing data. Our Teflon-based contact sensors are adjustable for position, which means our system can handle many different sizes of saws and many different sizes of bore. You can adjust the position of our sensors along this dovetail track. And the actual Teflon sensors dynamically move and are adjustable for pitch and yaw, so they're always contacting the saw plate. Our system is accurate to plus or minus 0.1 degrees. Why does that make a difference? It makes a difference because as your temperature increases, the saw characteristics change. So you want to be very accurate when you're measuring the saw plate temperature difference. The biggest benefit to the Williams & White SawSense SMARTGuide system is a reduction in oil. In our multiple tests, we have found up to a 40% reduction in oil. This reduces corrosion, it reduces pooling, and it increases the value of your chips. We can see higher chip quality because you can reduce the oil and water usage, which decreases the amount of water actually in your chip load, so you can transport more chips. We can see higher mill speeds. We have an alarm notification system which can prevent crashes, and we can identify performance sawing issues in real time on all platforms. The single point measurement systems that use non-contact sensors are integrated right into the saw guide, which is a very high cost to your mill. Every one of your saw guides need to be machined and the sensor needs to be put in. With the Williams & White SawSense system, we are bolt-on, and we are bolt-on to any guide. Our sensors are very low cost, so if they do get damaged, they're easily replaced. The non-contact versions are very expensive and they're high cost of maintenance. Also with our system, we do not have to modify your existing Babbitt molds. So that's another huge cost-saving benefit to the Williams & White SawSense system. We have rechargeable batteries. In our testing, we've had battery life up to 20 hours. You can have multiple of these packages and we can recharge them like you recharge your cell phone. We have a 0 to 80 degree temperature range. This system can be adapted to both circle saws and also band saws. Williams & White's SawSense system is Wi-Fi based communication. We don't use cellular data because we know that your mill might have an inconsistent or no cellular service. It's a cloud-based system, which means you can do remote monitoring on any device from anywhere in the world. We have live temperature monitoring with analytics, so you can measure your saw performance, you can set performance logging, you can set alarms that will tell you in real time if you have a sawing performance issue. Williams & White is very proud to bring this SMARTGuide, the SawSense system, to your mill. It's Matt Williams with WilliamsandWhiteEquipment.com.